You ever notice how brushing your teeth somehow turns into an existential crisis? You're just standing there, half asleep, toothbrush in hand, and suddenly your brain's like, remember that one awkward thing you said in 2020? Yeah, let's overanalyze that for no reason. What the hell is that? That's not self-awareness. That's mental sabotage in HD. That's your brain hijacking your peace, like it's auditioning for an anxiety documentary. Here's the truth. You're not tired. You're mentally handcuffed, stuck in a loop of thoughts that sound helpful, but actually just keep you scared, small, and stuck. Let's break that loop right here, right now. Most people think toxic mindset means being negative all the time. Wrong. Toxic mindsets are subtle. They're sneaky. They wear disguises like, I'm just being realistic. I'll wait until I'm ready. That's just who I am. Sounds logical, right? But it's your brain, dressed up as a lawyer, arguing for your limitations. Here's the real problem. A toxic mindset isn't when you feel stuck. It's when you start believing the stuckness is you. You are not your thoughts. You are the one hearing them. And right now, that inner voice needs a wake-up call. Here's the idea that changed everything for me. Mental, self, dominance, not confidence, not manifesting, not pretending to be high vibe. I'm talking about learning to notice your thoughts, interrupt them, and rewire the damn loop. Because let's be honest, if you don't run your brain, it will run you. Picture this. You're at a party, don't know anyone. Your brain goes, everyone thinks I'm awkward. I should have stayed home. Just look at your phone and disappear. That's the loop. That's the trap. It feels true because it's familiar. Now mental self-dominance steps in and says, seen this movie before, not falling for it today. Boom, pattern interrupted. Another one, you make a mistake at work. Your brain fires off. Of course I failed. I always screw up. Everyone's better than me. But now you catch it. You say, nope, that's not truth. That's trauma, pretending to be logic. Now you've got a shot to do something new, even if it's tiny, even if it's messy. Self-dominance means you get to choose, respond, or repeat. This isn't about being fearless. It's about being the one who calls out the lie. If this clicked for you, you're not here to consume content. You're here to reclaim control. Now do something bold and hit that subscribe button, because we're just getting started. Let's make it real. Here's how to actually do this. Step 1. Name the loop. Your thoughts thrive in shadows, so drag them into the light. Start labeling your thought spirals. This is overthinking. This is fear of rejection. This is just shame. Again, whatever your negative self-talk is, name it, own it, move on. Awareness is power. Step 2, interrupt the pattern. Clap your hands, say nope out loud. Stand up, breathe deep, shake your body, break the rhythm. That's how you stop the spiral. Step 3, insert a new line. Doesn't have to be poetic, doesn't have to be deep, just truer than the lie. I'm allowed to be figuring this out. I don't have to believe this voice. This feeling isn't fact. I don't need to be perfect to be powerful. Say it. Even if it feels fake, your nervous system is listening. Fake it till it rewires. Step 4, move your body, walk, stretch, get sunlight on your face. Physiology fuels psychology. Emotion is motion, and motion resets the system. Step 5, do one tiny brave thing. Ask the question. Start the project. Not to prove anything, just to remind your brain, you are not stuck. Look, some days you'll still spiral, still overthink, still end up in bed scrolling memes at 2 a.m. That's fine. This isn't about being perfect. It's about getting faster at the comeback, smarter at the self-talk, stronger at the interruption. Think of your brain like a dog that keeps peeing on the carpet. You don't yell, you retrain it gently. Repeatedly. You're not building perfection, you're building power. Here's your move. Next time your brain spirals, don't suppress it. Don't overanalyze it. Just catch it, name it, challenge it, and do something, anything different. That's it. Welcome to your rebellion. Now, you've got 2 options. Option A, stay in your head. Let fear write your script. Wake up 5 years from now still wondering what could have been. Still waiting, still playing small. Option B, take the wheel. Start interrupting the noise. One loop at a time, one thought at a time, one choice at a time. You already know which one leads to freedom. So if this sparked something in you, don't let it fade. Don't scroll past your own turning point. Comment with the toxic thought you're done entertaining. We're not here to escape our minds. We're here to reclaim them. I will see you on the next one.